Are you into tote bag making, shirt business? If you are into any of these businesses, please make sure that you watch this video to the end. Welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about DTF, Direct Aid Transfer. These beautiful designs you are seeing right now on your screen, they are designs that we normally use for t-shirt, tote bag. They are very beautiful. They are of high quality. They comes and very attractive. You can see them. They are of different designs, printed in quality and vibrant colors. So should in case you are into any of this business and going to the printer to make a fresh printing is expensive for you and you don't know how to go about it, yes, I'm here to bring the good news to you that there is a big market in Lagos where they sell all these affordable prints. Yes, they are very affordable. Please check some of my videos in my channel. You will see where I talked about this design and how they are being used. These designs are very affordable. Very. And they makes your work stand out. You don't need to spend fortune just for you to have your beautiful designs on t-shirts or on your tote bags. Yes, they also comes in write-ups, they comes in pictures, they comes in motivational or words. Yes, they are all beautiful. Like this one right in my hand, there's a write-up written on it. Pray on it, pray over it, pray through it. They are all very beautiful. You can see all this other one, very colorful. In fact, if you want to use it for your kids wear, they are all beautiful. The designs are beautiful and you can get them in Lagos. If you also want me to get it for you, please just drop a comment. And if you want a description where the market is located in Lagos, also drop your description. They are very affordable. You can see all those ones I have, and beside these are my tote bags. So I'm going to make use of this beautiful and attractive design to design my tote bags. Yet a video will be uploaded shortly after this so that you will see how it's being used. Please, if you watch this video to this extent, please just help me to just drop a like, click on like, subscribe, and drop a comment so that the YouTube will also recommend this my video to other that also love things like this. Yes, if you are into t-shirts or tote bags, this is the best place for you to get your designs without breaking the bank. Like this one right in my hand, that's the seasonal design, the Christmas season. You can see how beautiful these flowers are. You can see, imagine you using this cute bicycle design on your kid t-shirt or on kid t-shirt or even adult. Yeah, see our Gucci na. Gucci. So the designs are really beautiful. The designs are cool. And the good thing about it is very affordable. Very affordable. Yes. In fact, in the market, there in that market, you can see lot and lot and lot of designs, and they are very, very affordable. Please, whatever you want me to do, please just drop a comment. Just drop a comment on the comment section. And also you can chat me up. Right on the screen is my WhatsApp number. You can call me, you can chat me. And also, if you are thinking of the kind of a business to start that you are stuck or you don't have an idea of what to do you know that even selling this design alone is another side also? And a lot of people buys it. A lot. You can see this, you can see how plenty it is on my table, and I still have more than this because I'm using it. Yes, I use them to design my tote bags and also t-shirts. Yes, I use them because they are very, very good. They are of quality. They are of good quality, and you you can more of the designs you'll just be seeing it. They are all beautiful, very beautiful designs, very cute. You can see they are all very lovely. They are lovely designs. Please just let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Whatever you want me to do, the description to the market, where to get them, the amount, how much you can budget for, and if you want to start this business, if you want to start basically selling, how can you get it? How do you want to start? Please just let me know the exact thing you want, then I'll put you through. Thank you for watching this video up to now.